Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Today is 1st of June 2022. Let's look at today's gold prices in the UAE. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold without VAT price is 216.35 and with VAT is 227.17. For 22 carats gold without VAT price is 198.61 and with VAT is 208.54. For 21 carats gold without VAT price is 189.31 and with VAT is 194.78. For 18 carats gold without VAT price is 162.26 and with VAT is 170.37. For 14 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 126.57 and with VAT is 132.90. For 10 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 90.22 and with VAT is 94.73. Last but not the least, for 6 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 54.09 and with VAT is 56.79. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with friends or family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.